Let me show you how to make something simple, quick, low-calorie, and seriously good. We are making unbelievably chewy and satisfying oatmeal energy balls with no baking required. Start by adding 2 heaping tablespoons of raw oats to your bowl. That comes out to about 40 grams. This is going to be the hearty, wholesome base for our energy balls. Pour in about 60 milliliters of just boiled water. Give it a really good thorough stir until the water is fully absorbed and the mixture comes together into a soft, cohesive paste. Just let the oatmeal sit for about 5 minutes. This waiting time is important. It allows the oats to fully soak up all that water, soften completely, and cool down enough for us to handle. Take a sheet of plastic wrap and press it gently into another small bowl. This creates a smooth, nasty liner that would make shaping our perfect little spheres incredibly easy and mess-free. Spoon half of your soft, cool oatmeal mixture into the bottom of your prepared bowl. Press it down gently to create an even layer. This will be the foundation that holds our delicious fillings. This is the best part. Add your fillings. I'm using about 15 grams of taro paste, a 10 grams spoonful of peanut butter for the rich flavor, and just a 5 grams drizzle of sweetened condensed milk. But you can use any nut butter, fruit puree, or even dark chocolate chips you love. Pull the edges of the plastic wrap up and over the filling. Twist it tightly at the top to form a neat, compact little ball. The pressure from the wrap is what gives it that perfect dense shape. Place your wrap ball thoroughly onto a plate and into the refrigerator. Let it chill for about 60 minutes. This farming time is essential for the ball to set completely and develop that incredible chewy texture. After an hour, unwrap it. The texture is unbelievably soft, dense, and chewy. So satisfying. It is honestly so good. Custom made just how you like it. You really have to try this for yourself.